Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Hotmail application not receiving emails. Let's begin. First, I want you to go ahead and log into the official website. Once you are in, go ahead and click on the gear icon over here, all right? Then you're now in your account settings. This is where you can stop issues affecting email delivery. So under account, you can easily click on storage in settings. And here you can definitely see how much has been already used. If it's full, delete any unnecessary emails, old emails, empty your spam and deleted folders, or archive old messages to free up a lot of space, especially those with large attachments. Okay. If the problem continues, check for any updates to the Hotmail Outlook application. Updates often fix bugs that block emails, but the main culprit would be the storage itself because this is why you're not receiving any new or fresh emails out there because your storage in Outlook or Hotmail is full. You just need to free up some space. That's it. You successfully managed to know and fix this problem. I hope you found this video very helpful.